It's common to make this mistake when painting your walls. You can see that even I did it, but here's how to avoid it. My friends, this is a quick painting tip for interior exterior painting. It's one that I learned yet again. So even when you know what you're doing, you mess up sometimes. No big deal. But let me just help you and stop you from messing up. Flip the camera around and I'm going to show you what's going on. Remove the tape while it is still tacky and not when it dries. And then it won't peel your beautiful work off the wall. That's it. Save yourself some heartache, save yourself some mess ups, save yourself from ruining the work that you did. And take the tape off while it's still tacky. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, save, like, comment, and share. See you soon.